Gazing at the blue of the night, stars are filling up the sky. You take my hand
Happy
in
birthday, I
yours,
love you, mother.
we'll make our own constellations. I could say how much you mean to me, but it won't mean.
Thank you so much. So many years, 80 years na pinagpasalamat mo sa akin buhay na ibinigay mo sa akin, Lord.
Happy birthday, Inay! Sana dumami pa ang inyong birthday. Happy birthday! I love you! Oh, I love you, Inay Bangka!
They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen.
Sino daw ang inyong paboritong apo? Hayaan mo na, hindi naman mag-aaway-aaway ang mga iyan.
Nasa grade.
Ano ba?
Inay, happy birthday! God bless you! Sana lagi kayong healthy. Enjoy your party. Sobrang ganda nyo talaga, nakakaiyak ang ganda nyo. Sana nandyan kami para mag-celebrate. And we love you!
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos at narating mo ang ganyang edad na malakas. Pinagkaloob ng Panginoon na kalakasan sa iyo. Muli, happy birthday, Inay.
Walking down the crowded street, moving to our different beats.
77, 78, 79. 80,000 palakpakan naman natin.
Salamat sa aking mga kapatid, kay Grace, sa sobrang pagmamahal at suporta sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Ayun, happy mommy, happy babies. Ang cute ng mami ko. I love you.
They could say they've seen the highest
Inay
mountain,
Blanca
bottom of the deepest sea.
Bruce! Kahit may scatter, kahit may ubusin sa scatter, walang problema yan. Ang mahalaga ay masaya ang inay.
Like this, it could dig a boat, baby treasures where it's worth more than anything. But no one's ever seen, no one's ever seen a love like this.
Happy birthday, Inay. We're very grateful kasi umabot ka ng 80 years old na kasama namin. Sana ma-enjoy mo pa yung buhay mo and wish namin na mas mahaba pa namin kayong makasama. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Nobody's ever seen a love. Nobody's ever seen a love like this. A love like this. We have searched.
Hangad ko pa ang marami kong kaarawan para sapitin ko ang mahaba pang buhay marami. Pagsilbihan ko ang aking maraming anak na 10. Thank you, Lord, so much.
They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. It could dig a boat, baby treasures where it's worth more than anything. But no one's ever seen a love like this. You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that
Salamat tayo sa mahal na Panginoon. Salamat tayo at pinabot ng inay ang gartong edad na at sa aking mga kapatid. Salamat ako, sana madugtungan pa ng mahabang buhay ang inay. Happy birthday, Inay, at sana madugtungan pa ng mahabang buhay. Happy birthday.
the way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time because you laugh when you get mad.
Happy birthday, Nay. Sana'y masaya ka lagi. Ang hiling lang namin ay maging masaya ka at malusog. Basta masaya ka, masaya rin kami. Happy birthday!
Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up one night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. I used to fear the vast and great unknown, but now I'll never face that world alone. You leave me notes before you leave. In
Sa inyo
lips
po, Lord, na nagbigay sa akin ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan araw-araw. Sa dami kong sakit karamdaman dinanas, ibinigay pa rin niyo sa akin ang mahabang buhay ko. Thank you, Lord, so much.
the way you dress up all night